y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to go pick up a express lane order from the grocery store from Harris Teeter. I placed it like late last night. I didn't figure it would be ready this early, but I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up, and then I'll do like a quick grocery haul because I ordered quite a bit of groceries, so y'all can just see what I got. And thank y'all so much for tuning in. Make sure y'all hit the like button and the rest. Also, side note, I'm still in my pajamas. It's like 11 o'clock. I've been working from home. Realistically, I don't get dressed to go pick up groceries all the time, so just wanted to show y'all that. Okay y'all, so this is all of my grocery haul, and then there's a little bit back there, so I'll just go through it quickly. I got ice cream sandwiches. There were 3 on sale, 3 for $5, but they were out, so they just substituted for the 12 box. I do the express lane grocery pickup. I got lemon meringue pie because I really love those. Their cheeses were 2 for $4, so I got Mexican cheese for Taco Tuesday, and then I plan on making lasagna, so I needed this Parmesan, sharp cheddar, and Italian sharp cheddar. Oh, Italian's right here. And then I'm also going to do mac and cheese, and I need sharp and mild cheddar for that. I got a bird's eye steamed cheesy pasta and broccoli, tropical fruit blend for smoothies, these whole fruit strawberry bars, carton of eggs. Also got these are really good, the short carb chicken breast Southwestern style. They have different flavors. I got 4 of these because they were buy one get one free, and they're usually like $8, but it was buy one get one, and they had it on sale for $4, so I got 4 packs for $8, so that was a pretty good price. I got a thing of cinnamon rolls, this Funfetti coffee creamer, which I saw, and I like Funfetti cake, of course. So I wanted to try that out and see how it is. I also just got produce. I got a 3-pound of ground turkey. I got 2.5 pounds of the Alaska salmon, and it was on sale for $9.99 a pound. And then I also got 4 pounds of chicken breast, and that was on sale for $1.99, so it ended up being like $10. I got elbow macaroni for the mac and cheese, and then the lasagna noodles for the lasagna. I got a pound of grapes, not realizing it was this small, but I do have some grapes left over, so that's fine. Honey roasted peanuts, pineapples. I had a craving for pineapples when I was online shopping yesterday, so I got those. And then these flat out tortillas are really good. My husband eats them. They're 13 grams of whole grain, 7 grams of protein, and they're only 90 calories for 1 wrap, and these were also buy one get one, so I got 2 of those. Then I just got some green bell peppers, broccoli, green beans, some Italian salad. Also got asparagus. I got Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna try my hand at Brussels sprouts. I saw this recipe with like honey and something with brown sugar. I want to try that. Cabbage, carnation milk to put in my mac and cheese, and then also I thought I got 2 cans of tomato sauce for my lasagna, but maybe I only got 1. Big of bananas, ketchup. I was out of some seasonings, so I got some onion and garlic powder, cayenne pepper, Italian dressing. There's this recipe my sister told me about with chicken wings, and you just pour the Italian dressing over and then cook in the oven on 350 for like 45 minutes, and it was really good, so I want to remake that again. And then I got some lemons to put in my water, and then I have this crock pot garlic lemon chicken recipe I want to try. Brown sugar, my husband needed that. I got some dishwashing liquid, chicken broth. They had 3 for $2 taco seasoning mixes, so I got the low sodium. Then I also just got some foil, and I got some freezer Ziploc bags, 2 for $1 Oreos. I was talking to my friend last night, and she was talking about Oreos, so I needed to get those, and they were buy one get one. Some Nutri-Grain bars, strawberry, and then some S'mores chewy granola bars. So for this grocery haul, I think when I placed the order online, it was a total of $180, but for everything it was $170, which is kind of high for me. I try to, when I go to the grocery store, First of all, I usually shop at Aldi, and when I do go to the grocery store, my hair's all over the place. When I do go to the grocery store, I try to keep it at $100 because I budget $300 for our monthly groceries because it's just me and my husband. So I'm trying not to spend all this money on groceries, but I decided to go to Harris Teeter because they were having their buy one get one sale, and then a lot of stuff was on sale. And I haven't gone to the grocery store in about 2.5 weeks, so this should last us 3 weeks. The only thing is my husband is on a health journey, which I mean is great, but he's just going through so much produce. So I've been having to get a lot of chicken, I'm having to get a lot of salmon, so I try to catch that when it's on sale. But I think that is everything that I purchased. I'm gonna go ahead and put all this stuff up in the refrigerator. I may show y'all me putting the stuff up and organizing it in the pantry, but if I don't, this will be the end of the video. Glad you clicked. Make sure y'all hit that red subscribe button, the like button, and have a great day. Bye.
So that's the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and the like button. It really helps my channel, and leave me comments down below, and hope y'all have a great day. Bye.